Creating scalable and repeatable demos with consistent messaging can be extremely hard to do, and Reprise allows us to do that without having to rely on everyone giving a different experience to the customer. My name is Mark Schoeni and I work at Cloudera. I'm a senior product marketing manager. We've been using Reprise for about 9 months now. We just started with the product tours in our CDP Test Drive, and now we're expanding it to use on our website. Before Reprise, what we did is we embedded the actual product demos or product tours into the product itself. However, you only have a limited amount of isolated environments that you can give a demo in, and SEs know how to access those environments, but you can't exactly allow anyone on the internet to just log into those. So the Reprise tours has allowed us to open that up to a wider audience as well and not have to maintain as many isolated environments. The first time I thought I'm glad to have this was trying to just maintain those demos, trying to always keep up with the new products updates, having to engineer entire solutions around that. It's much easier if you just create a demo, have to go through it one time, and not have to make it repeatable for your entire sales organization. Reprise, for example, you can hit a previous button and go a step back. You can't do that during a live demo. Right now, we're using the Reprise replays in our CDP Test Drive. It's a place where customers can actually try out the product hands-on. We've expanded that to our website as well. We have a technical page where we have the Reprise replays listed on there, and we're experimenting with expanding it to our product-specific pages as well as some campaign pages as well. Some of my favorite Reprise features are on the more technical side or more mundane side. So I enjoy the backups because I make mistakes all the time. And it's really good to be able to make a manual backup and go back, or even have the automated backups when you need them. Also, editing the HTML has been invaluable because a lot of times you log into the product, it has your own name there, or you have one tenant where there's multiple demos and you want to hide those other things that, like other resources which are listed in there. So being able to go in, fine tune the tours really helped. So Reprise has allowed us to really all come together and collaborate for everything from marketing to product management and even engineering. So it actually starts with engineering, right? They'll show off a new feature or the core functionality of a product, actually just create the demo, then product management comes around, actually gives the entire tour, and then the product marketing managers will go in and fine tune the messaging that's in there just to make sure that they're really getting the point across. So at the end of that kind of process, sales has been using it to show to customers. They use it as leave behinds, which is great because not only can they show the product and what it's doing without having to always have direct access to a demo environment, then once they're done, they can just hand that off to the customer and the customer can try it themselves. Reprise has allowed us to expand the audience that we're showing the product to, which is really important to us because there's no better way than for the product to speak for itself. And by allowing those others to not just view videos, but be interactive with it, it really helps get the point across about how certain things work in there. It also allows us to collaborate much easier. Before, it was really hard for people to go in and edit demos manually. So now everyone from engineering to marketing can collaborate on one product tour, which we call them, which are the Reprise replays. It also has helped us significantly reduce costs because we don't have to keep as many isolated demo environments up and running. Creating the product tours using the Reprise replays has allowed us to create consistent messaging across sales so that everyone is giving the same story when it comes to our data services, security governance, and even our hybrid capabilities. It's a great way for sales to give the customer specific tours and demos about what they care about without even always needing to fully interact with them face to face, right? If they care about a certain feature set, we can create product tours that show off those features and hand those over to the customer. Creating live demos it's a really hard experience to get right. You need to always make sure that your demo is going to be up and running. It's perfect if you've ever given a demo. In the back of your mind, you're always wondering, like, when is this going to fail? When am I going to get that weird error pop up that you've never seen before? So creating scalable and repeatable demos with consistent messaging can be extremely hard to do, and Reprise allows us to do that without having to rely on everyone giving a different experience to the customer. In the future, we hope to continue using Reprise to show off all the new features that we're coming out with. We have some really nice, but sometimes complex features, and it really helps get the point across on how to use those features if you click through and actually are interactive with it. So we want to be able to show all of our customers how to use it, not just the ones who are lucky enough to meet with a sales rep face to face.